I have a super clean 458 Speciale. It's actually metallic red, not regular red, but in the like Norway flag of Norway spec. White, blue and metallic red. Grey wheels looks good. Beautiful. And a nice 997 and Urus matte carbon. Monte Carlo always.